Namaste and peace, love, and light, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel of positivity and love and light and all the abundance, everything, just everything. Yes, yes. So today we're going to do some visualization. It's a tool in manifestation that helps bring your desires to the forefront in the universe, shifting it from a thought process into actual reality. I know some people are like, well, how do you do that? You just think it. The key to manifestation is not just thinking it. You feel it. You anticipate it. You celebrate it even though it's not here. One of the things I do is visualize. When you think about the things you want to achieve, I don't call them dreams, they are future realities. What I want to accomplish is a future reality. It's going to happen because I've seen it. I don't just wish for it. I don't just want it. I don't just desire it. I actually envision it in my mind. If it's something that has a smell, I envision the smell. If it has a feeling, a texture, I imagine that texture. I envision my life changes because of what I acquired or what I'm after. So, just gonna give you a quick little breakdown with visualization. Wait on Mother Earth to stop blowing some breeze and then I'll hop right into it. Okay? Now, think about what you want. Let's just say you want to be a singer or an actor, author, right? I want you to think about that. You can choose whether to close your eyes or keep them open. Some people prefer their eyes open. Me, I'm an eyes open type of meditative person. I'm a daydreamer, so it's very easy for me to shift into that perspective. So it's up to you. You can choose to close your eyes or leave it open, right? It's important to set aside your daily routine time to envision and manifest. All you need is 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. So, like I say, eyes open or closed. Think about your desire, the thing or things that you want to accomplish, right? What I want you to do is see yourself in the exact moment of attaining what you want to attain. I want you to visualize yourself, visualize the opportunity, whatever it may be. And I want you to feel the excitement, feel the energy. What does you attaining your goal feel like? When you envision the feel. Is your heart racing? Are you crying? Are you speechless? Do you have goosebumps? Yeah. So imagine in that moment, what does it feel like? And if it feels good, I want you to smile. I want you to smile, laugh, shout, exclaim how it feels in the moment, because visualizing is not just about vision, it's about feeling. Feeling is an energetic frequency. We're tapping into the frequency of your desire. Oh my God, does it feel fantastic? Is your heart racing? Mine is, because I'm envisioning my hopes and like I said, I don't say hopes and dreams. I'm envisioning my future reality, and I have everything. My home smells divine. I know what I want it to smell like. Your dream, your future reality should have a scent as well. It should have a feeling, a scent, and a sight. What I want you to do, after it may take some time. It's not meant to be quick. Everyone has their own realities that they want to step into. Take as long as you need to see everything line up in front of you, to feel every emotion, right? Like, to allow that energy to manifest itself in the now. How does it feel? Good? I'll give you an insight. One of the things I'm manifesting or I'm visualizing right now is my dream home with my garden and my greenhouse and my crystal room, and I know what it smells like. I know what it feels like. I know when the keys are dropped in my hands, I'm like, yes! Rejoice now. Don't wait until you've attained your reality to rejoice. Celebrate that energy now. I am freaking what? Visualizing. We're visualizing. We're manifesting. We're bringing it into the present because it's already in the ether. It's already out there. Some of you may be a dream spouse, a child. I want to have another daughter. Yes. I want to meet my person. Yes. And guess what? I'm happy already because I know that it's on the way. I can feel the love. I can feel the love from my future child, my future divine counterpart, my future home, all the things, other things of my future reality, my novels, my books, my content. I'm in the now. I'm in the now, and I am grateful because it feels good. Does it? Feels good. And I want you to think about the things you're going to do when you attain your future reality. Yeah, get a house, but what you're going to do in that house, right? I did a video on manifestation already. Visualize everything. This one is more in depth. You see it, you smell it, you feel it. Create your vision board. Vision boards are the shit, I can tell you that. What I want to gain is a peace of mind, a freedom to be whatever, do whatever. When I feel like that freedom of having these things in place, I feel it already. I feel that energy already. So you have to think about, you have to envision the changes that's going to happen after you attain this future reality that you're envisioning. Yeah. Look at this. Mother Nature is agreeing. Mother Nature is like, yes. Breeze, blow. My chickens aren't making any noise for the first time in a long time. Are they okay? They're right there, but no noise. And do this every day. You can do this any spare time that you have. Eyes open, eyes closed, and just envision your future reality. Everything that you want to happen to you in the future. Envision it. See it, smell it, feel it, believe it, and know that it's coming because you're already experiencing the frequencies of your future reality. You're already experiencing the energies. You're experiencing the emotions. You see the sights. You can see the smells. See the smells. You can smell the smells. You're already harvesting that energy, and that's going to help it be more attracted to you. You're going to pull it in a lot faster because you're dwelling in that energy. You're walking around like someone who is a homeowner already. You're walking around as if you already have your divine counterpart. You basically walking in the energy that you already have everything that you want. And envisioning that daily, it's the sweetest feeling. It is the sweetest feeling. A lot of people are unhappy because they want things, but they can't see themselves with the things that they want. Notice the difference between people who say, oh, I see it. I see myself in the future. I know this is going to happen. It's right there. I'm supposed to be like, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to do that. I can't wait to... You're waiting to dwell in that energy, and that's not going to help it come any faster. You have to be in the energy that you want to attract. So you wanting it. I can't wait. I can't wait for this to happen so I can do this. I can't wait for this to happen. Yeah, you may not be able to physically do those things, but you can experience the energy. I can't wait to pull out my grill and barbecue. You cannot do that yet, but have dreams about it. Smell the barbecue. Oh, look. There they are. I know it wasn't going to be long before they started making noise. Smell the barbecue. Smell the ribs. Think about your family eating it, your friends, how they're gonna love it. Start collecting food ideas, align yourself with your visualization, the things that you want to manifest. Anyway, babies, that's what I have for you. I promise my next video is going to be a lock video for my lock people who do watch my spiritual content. Oh, it's time to take these out. But anyway, peace, love, and light. Bye. Happy visualization.